In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the brush tool in conjunction with the filter mask, and we're going to do this with the Dehaze filter. I'm looking at this image and I'd like to enhance the sky. I'd like to remove some of the haze that is in this sky to make it pop more. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the Add Filters button and click on it. Up in the search box, we're going to type DEH and we're going to click on Dehaze, and that's going to add it to our list. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to expand Dehaze, and I'm going to apply the amount of dehaze that I want in the sky right now. I'm going to drag it over until I get an amount that feels and looks good to me. And you'll notice that not only did it affect the sky, but it affected the entire image, which is the way that filters work. To limit it to just the sky, I'm going to use the brush tool. And to activate that, I'm going to click on the brush icon and choose brush. Now you may notice that up in the upper left corner, we have the brush controls as well as mask controls that are now revealed to us. It's currently in paint mode. Softness is 100%, opacity is 100%. I'm going to change the softness from 100% down to 50. And I'm going to increase the size to something about like that. So now I'm going to start brushing the sky with the brush tool. I like to see where the mask is being drawn, so I'm going to click on the little eye here and I'm going to turn the mask on. So now you can see where I've dragged the brush. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to continue dragging it over to the right here, and I'm going to drag it down, and the inner ring is going to help me to keep from applying too much onto the hillsides. I'm going to just go over the top of this here, and if you were doing this mask, you might want to take a little bit more time, but for this example, I just want to give you an idea of how this can work. Okay, so that's what our mask looks like at this point. Now, I'm going to click on Erase. I'm going to go ahead and change the size to quite a bit smaller. I'm going to change the softness to about 78%. And I'm just going to go in here and I'm just going to clean this up a bit. I'm going to pull some of this out of the city. Because I have Show Mask turned on, it's going to show you the changes that I'm making. Okay, I'm going to turn off the Show Mask, and now we see the Dehaze filter applied to just the sky area. I'll go ahead and turn it off, and you can see the before and after. And that's an example of using the brush tool with a filter.